Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah and today we are going to learn how to use Uiua. So firstly, I'm going to show you like the basics. So Uiua is basically just a programming language that lets you write short code, but it remains readable. So for example, I'm going to write +5 and 4, and then when you run it, the result will be 9. So that's basically how to do addition. You can also do this with subtraction, multiplication, or anything. So today I'm going to show you how to use arrays in Uiua. So firstly, I'm going to add square brackets, and then I'll just write a list of numbers. So this is my array. So now you can add +1 before the array. Then when you run it, then 1 will be added to each of the values in the array. So you can also write like -2, and then it will -2 from each of the numbers in the array. And you can also do the same for multiplication and division. So I'm going to multiply it. And I'm going to divide it. So there are also a few other things you can use, like so when I use reverse, it basically just reverses what's in the array. And I can also use this one to get the dimensions of an array. So you can also use this to get the first number of an array. So when you run it, it's going to show only the first number. You can also use this one to get the last number. And you can also add this one called range. So if you add a number in it, it's going to basically make an array of all the numbers before that number. So for example, here it created an array of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, because those are the numbers before 10. So that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.